Alright, 2001 TTR125 BBR stuff on it. I've done several videos on this bike already. My daughter's bike. I just finished her Ninja, bro. Crazy. I'm gonna put some tires on, and I put this double bubble screen on. Yeah. Pretty crazy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use that yoga mat right there. I'm gonna cut it and I'm gonna reshape this seat using the yoga mat foam, because 2001, 2020, 19 years, I think this foam is kind of seen this day. But I'm not gonna totally replace it. I'm gonna supplement it with a newer, higher grade memory foam type of a yoga mat. I bought a graphics kit. This part here was bent. Hey, there's Tracy. Tracy, holo screens, bro. You living in Hawaii? You need screens? Tracy. Tracy, hook you up. Telephone number, Tracy. Telephone number. What's your telephone number? Holo screen. What's your telephone number, Tracy? 783-8764. Call Tracy. Holo screens. He need your business. And then I'll go get some videos with him later. Alright, my brother. Have a safe day, huh? We're in the middle of a COVID. We gotta keep our distance and all that, you know. So they said we can work on our cars. So I'm gonna stay in my garage and work on my daughter's bike. What I intend to do is, like I said, I'm gonna do the seat and do the graphics. Put some nice graphics on here. This has got a 120 YZ85 front end on it. They fit right up, man. You get yourself some tag clamps, hook those boys right up. You can hook them up with the stock ones too, but better off with some good clamps, some deep jumping. This bike's got some little tricks in it, but it's no groundbreaking, record-breaking bike. Don't get me wrong, this thing is it's a toy. So, as we go along, you'll see. I'm gonna begin today. Today is the second day of COVID. Wind has died down quite a bit. But, how you like my flowers, bro? Check this out. Wow, the thing's still blossoming. Look, this is the hibiscus. This is our state flower. Check it out. It grows into a bush later, but this is my April flower. Got it in a tire of one of my other cars long ago when I was hey guys, check that out, bro. Unreal. That's our state flower, the hibiscus. So stick with me, guys. See you guys later. Aloha. Seat probably gonna be the easiest part. I don't know. The seat tub's been on here for a while, so I'm gonna try and rejuvenate it, make it all pretty again. Aloha. So for first thing, yeah, you gotta remove all of these old staples. Another trick I found is I cut out a piece of cardboard like this, and I can use my bed as a spray area or whatever, cutting area. And when this gets old, throw it away, cut out a new one. And rubbish that accumulates, just hold it up, dump it in the rubbish can. The first thing you want to do is let's get your screwdriver, create a gap, come in with your side cutters and pull them all out. That's the easiest way. Don't try to dig them out with the screwdriver. You're gonna damage the old. Well, if you're not gonna use the seat cover, you just cut it off. But I'm just saying, this is the easy way if you're gonna reuse your old seat cover. Oh yeah, I might as well just touch up the brackets. And the guys, when they did the seat job, they didn't even take off the brackets. I can tell because they would have had to. Well, anyway. We're moving forward, taking off all of these staples, and we're gonna move on. And the cleanup is easy. All you do is okay, so I got this Fila Deluxe Exercise Yoga Mat for $12.99 over there at Ross, and it comes with more than enough foam that you're gonna need to bolster up your seat here. Take your cover off, clean that all up, and then it's kind of all worn out already. Some sections here have began to deteriorate, so I'm gonna put some glue in there and try to salvage this. Alright. You can see the factory foam. Those dark areas are the adhesive they used in the factory. So I'm going to put a little bit more on here. I like to use this Loctite spray adhesive, professional grade. I get it from Lowe's. It's inexpensive. And once you figure out, it's really good if you get the ones with the lines. Then that way you can cut a straight line. Just follow the line all the way. Figure out where you're gonna be, cut a little bit excess, because this is only $12.99, bro. You can afford that. Then we're gonna flip it over, we're gonna draw a cutout of what I want, and then we're gonna move on from there. So basically you put this on top of this. Try to minimize the amount. I mean, I know it's cheap, but you don't want to be wasting it, so try to minimize the amount you want to cut off. I just want a center rib section. I want it to remain narrow, but a little taller with a little bit more subtleness to it. So I'm going to trace it out and I'll show you what I got. Don't laugh, this is what I got out of that. Anyway, I'm going to trim it, make it pretty. See what we got? I got plenty to work with, so no big deal. Oh, I'd say that's pretty darn good. Pretty darn good job there. Just what I wanted, maybe a little bit more thinner over here. And come around like this. And maybe I might put a step on the back. Yeah, put a step on the back. Okay, cut a step. And same thing for the step. You get your marsh band and make your cutout. Make sure you glue this down good. Got it glued down good here. And go ahead and put it on. Kind of cut them with a transition all the way around here. And I'm going to do it the rest of it. There you go, in about an hour. I used 1/4 inch stapler staples with the staple gun, this size T50s, and went on real smooth, easy. Sometimes I glue the seat cover to the pad, but this time I didn't because I'm using my old one and it went on really easily. And I got my step right there. Wow, for $12.99. Aloha.